What happens if you don't feel pain? You don't feel like you're hurt after being involved in a crash. What do? Some reasons for not feeling pain immediately after a crash are it could be that adrenaline flowing through your body. You've just been involved in a very, very serious event. All of a sudden, all you're thinking about is this could have happened or that could have happened. I'm just happy to be here. You're thinking about making sure that other people are okay, other people in your car. You might have a relative in your car or other passengers in your car, or you might be wanting to check on the other driver to make sure that they're okay. There are many reasons why somebody might not feel pain immediately after a crash. Let's talk about some examples of delayed injuries after a crash. Sometimes somebody might have a neck injury. A neck injury in a motor vehicle crash is oftentimes referred to as whiplash. And whiplash can be a very painful experience where there's damage to the muscles and tendons and ligaments in your neck. But sometimes these symptoms, they don't start to come on for 2 or 3 days. A concussion, some type of brain injury, it takes a while oftentimes for those symptoms to manifest. Sometimes the person has back problems that they didn't have before, but it took a delay of 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Maybe there's some internal bleeding that really doesn't manifest for a few days. This happens, and it's not uncommon. But whatever the reason, if there's a delay in symptoms, what's important is that you get medical attention as soon as possible. Make sure you let them know that you were involved in a car crash. That way we have documentation. Once your symptoms start, we've got medical documentation so we can be able to start building a compelling case for you. Here's something else you can do that might help you with the insurance company. If you've got visible signs of injury after a crash, make sure you take photographs, and you can get those photos to the insurance adjuster, and that might help them in evaluating your case. Now I want to talk about why having delayed symptoms can complicate things in the personal injury claims process. Delayed symptoms can complicate things because the insurance company wants to look at the time frame from the time of the crash, the time of the initial trauma, until the time that the person who's claiming to be injured went and got medical attention. If 3 or 4 or 5 months have gone by until the time the person got medical attention, that gives the opportunity to the insurance company to issue a denial letter. They know that it's going to be very difficult for the person who's now going to the doctor 3 or 4 or 5 months after the crash to be able to relate the trauma and the symptoms that they had to the crash that happened 3 or 4 or 5 months earlier. When there's a delay in medical treatment because of delayed symptoms after a crash, it makes it really difficult for the insurance company to treat the person fairly. Oftentimes, if the insurance company is going to make a settlement offer when the person has a delay in symptoms or there's a delay in getting medical treatment, the insurance company is going to try to settle on a discounted basis and offer a lot less than they otherwise would have. So if you've been injured in a car crash, call Kendall Law Firm. You can call us at 866-590-9773, or you can contact us through our website at kendalllawfirm.net. So remember, if you've been hurt in a car crash, call Kendall first. You'll be glad you did.